Workhorse, or ticker symbol WKHS, is up almost 230% in just the last month. And today marks the 6th straight trading session of gains, assuming that we don't close down today. Is it time to buy Workhorse right now, or has it gone up too much to consider? Howdy, partner. In this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what you'll need to know about this Workhorse so that we can figure out whether or not it is a buy right now at these levels. And we're going to be starting right now.
What is going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about investing and trading in the stock market, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you guys in the video.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about Workhorse, or ticker symbol WKHS. So this is actually a really decent play. It's up about 268% this month. Okay, so let me correct myself. While I've been recording this video, it came down a little bit, but that's good news, okay? But let me start off with telling you guys what Workhorse is. Now, I do realize that a bunch of you already know, but there are some that are going to be asking questions and are just clueless as to what this stock actually is. So let's get it out of the way. Workhorse Group Incorporated is an American manufacturing company based in Cincinnati, Ohio, and currently focused on manufacturing electrically powered delivery and utility vehicles. The company was founded in 1998 by investors who took over the production of General Motors P30/P32 series step van and motorhome chassis. Let me tell you why I personally like Workhorse and why I think that it's going to continue to go up. Workhorse deals with electric vehicles, okay? Number two, they deal with delivery drones. So this is the future. We all know it. You know it. I know it. Their next generation delivery vehicle is actually scheduled for delivery in the first half of this year. All right, these are the vans we're talking about. They're all electric by design with composite technology and a 100-mile range. They're expected to be more economical than traditional delivery vans, and their current delivery van, the E100 and E-Gen, have more than 4 million miles on them and are used by some of the premier package delivery companies in the world. All right, now let's talk about their delivery drones. So these are the future of package delivery, and the future is already here and it's flying through the air. That's what Workhorse says. So their drones are designed to be fully autonomous, as well as work in tandem with their electric delivery vans. Or their custom-built drone technology delivers safety and efficiency to the customer's doorstep. They're built by Workhorse, and there's an app that connects to the Horsefly drone, which is what they call it, for a complete user experience. Their in-house integrated system has information on more than 4 million miles of tracking and more than 350 vehicles out there. So with their mobile technology application, you'll have all the metrics of your electric fleet's performance in the palm of your hand. That's how they describe it. Where did it all begin? Okay, AMP Electric Vehicles was established in 2007 as a developmental stage vehicle electrification company. They first experimented with adding battery electric power to two-seat roadsters. This was in 2009 and 2010. Progressive Insurance sponsored a rigorous nationwide competition for clean, production-capable vehicles. And then Workhorse's 100% electric GM Sky was the only mass-produced vehicle in the competition. All the other vehicles were primarily just prototypes or concept vehicles that were not suitable for driving on public roads. But Workhorse was one of the 8 finalists in the side-by-side seating category, and their Sky achieved 4 times the fuel efficiency of an internal combustion equivalent with 0 emissions. They followed the electrification of the Sky Roadster with the design and implementation of systems capable of powering larger vehicles. And this is what led to the creation of electrification packages for the Chevy Equinox SUV, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the Mercedes-Benz ML350. And these development activities resulted in the successful execution of the concept for SUVs. AMP Electric Vehicles actually went public in 2010, trading on the OTC market under the AMPD symbol. When the economic benefits of conversion became less certain, Workhorse pivoted away from passenger vehicles and began to focus on electrifying commercial vehicles. This led to a development agreement with Navistar, a major U.S. truck OEM. Under the development agreement, the initial project was to repower a 1,000 cubic foot delivery van. The first vehicle was delivered to them in August of 2012 and successfully passed Navistar's requirements and performance tests. Navistar's top management changed at precisely the same time the project vehicle passed its performance tests, and Navistar tabled the electrification project. They did, however, introduce Workhorse to their client, and AMP began to work directly with the end user. As part of the end user's requirement, the battery electric test truck successfully passed a 4,000-mile durability test at TRC Incorporated's automotive test facility in East Liberty, Ohio. AMP acquired the Workhorse brand and the Workhorse custom chassis assembly plant in Union City, Indianapolis in March of 2015. The asset acquisition made the company an OEM and enables the company to manufacture new medium-duty truck chassis in the 14,500 to 23,500 GVW class. In addition to the plant assets, their exclusive arrangement with Uptime Parts Incorporated for logistical and spare parts support, and their 400 plus network of dealers provides AMP with unequaled nationwide support for their vehicles. In March of 2015, AMP formally changed its name to Workhorse Group Incorporated and trades on NASDAQ. Investors are pretty excited about Workhorse, and number one, the entire EV industry is hot right now, okay? Now, Workhorse only expects to deliver about 300 to 400 vehicles in 2020, which isn't a whole lot, but they do own 10% of a startup called Lordstown Motors, which is gearing up to launch their own battery electric work vehicles. They are actually working on a pickup right now and are going to be in direct competition with Nikola Motors. Lordstown Motors is the company that bought General Motors, the General Motors factory in Lordstown, Ohio, and they're hoping to get their own electric pickup into production by next year. Earlier this week, Workhorse received U.S. government approval to begin production and sales of its C-Series line of electric delivery vans that has drawn considerable interest from investors. But The week's biggest electric truck news is coming out of Lordstown Motors. They actually debuted their electric pickup called the Endurance today. And guess who was there today? Vice President Mike Pence. That was there at the reveal of the Endurance all-electric pickup truck today. And opening remarks were delivered by Jim Tressel. If you don't know who that is, he's the former Ohio State football coach. And the rest of the speaker line included Aaron Spring, which is the new venture director at Goodyear. Oh, and by the way, guess who's supplying tires to the new all-electric Endurance pickup truck? If you said Goodyear, give yourself a pat on the back. As I already said earlier, Lordstown bought the 6.2 million square foot facility abandoned by General Motors last year, and the company is now working on opening it. And if you haven't checked this facility out yet, but you're investing in this company or wanting to invest, I suggest that you check these facilities out. It's always a good idea to know as much about the company you're investing in as possible. So what I have planned for you today in this video is to give you an official tour of the facilities, ladies and gentlemen. So check it out.
We are in Lordstown, Ohio. We are inside our 6.2 million square foot manufacturing plant and our headquarters. Our goal is to build the first electric pickup truck in the United States and likely the world. I'm Steve Burns. This is Lordstown Motors. The mission of Lordstown Motors is to empower the working spirit. Everything we do is with the worker in mind, both our worker that's making the truck and the worker that's going to drive that truck. Our first truck is the Endurance. This is for commercial users. They demand a very tough, robust vehicle. Because we started with a clean sheet of paper, underneath it is like no other truck ever made. Hub motors have been a dream for a while. With a strong motor and a computer basically watching each wheel every millisecond, you're going to get better traction out of this setup than any conventional vehicle could ever offer. Lordstown, Ohio has got a long history of vehicle making. The people here are enduring. We've got the best of the best. Our engineers have worked tirelessly to make a vehicle that powers the working spirit. It's dedicated to workers. Tough, enduring people making a tough, enduring pickup truck. So come ride with us. Ride with Lordstown.
Well, I'm quite certain you enjoyed that. So one thing I want to point out very quickly is that pretty much this company has been overbought since I've been looking at it pretty much. I think it was like, had an RSI of 80 earlier this morning. And now, as you can see, it's like 38.89. Now, I don't know where it's going to be at whenever you look at it. But right now, at the time of the recording of this video, the 1 minute chart was 38, and it looks like the daily is an RSI of 41.43. So I would say it is a pretty decent time to buy. Unfortunately for you, if you haven't been watching and paying attention to the market, it actually went below $8 today. So to me, I would consider that a steal, but you know, to each their own. Anyhow, this is not a recommendation to buy. This is just my opinion. This is what, you know, I'm grabbing these shares for, or what I would be grabbing these shares for if the opportunity presented itself again. Of course, I do have a contingency plan in case something were to go wrong, and that's a topic for another video. But anyone interested in, you know, some ideas, either leave me a comment, message me, get a hold of me, and I'm more than willing to help anybody. Long term, I think this thing is going to go up no matter what. So enjoy any kind of dips you can get and take advantage of them is my mentality. All right, guys. So what I want to leave you with is I want to show you the actual drones that this company is using and pretty much give you a little bit more information about their relationship with UPS. So I'm about to show you a very quick video of how all that is set up and works. So enjoy that. I will be here right after that video, and then I will dismiss you guys so that you can enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Don't cheat yourself. Make sure you watch this video if you're investing in this company. It's important. You need to know what you're investing in. All right, here it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that you just witnessed the future. And that's a wonderful, wonderful feeling. That's why I had to share it with y'all. Anyhow, I am now ready to dismiss you guys so that you can go and enjoy the rest of your day. The only thing I ask is that you please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video or found it useful. Share it with a friend. Help me grow this channel because I am doing all this for you, okay? So help me out a little bit. Also, take a look at your screen. You're going to see that YouTube is going to display some thumbnails for videos from this channel. If you have not watched them yet and you are interested in watching them, go ahead and click on the thumbnail and check it out. One last thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, why? Why not? I mean, look at all this value you're getting here and you can't even subscribe. I mean, all the work that I do and you're going to just not subscribe. Okay, I see how it is. I see how you guys are. That's cool. Maybe I should stop making videos. No, I'm just kidding. Anyhow, subscribe if you haven't, please, because I'm trying to make sure you guys get an education, okay? But anyhow, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you all in the next video very soon.